Hello there, YouTubers. Once again, I'm gonna do another taste test. But this time, I have some ice cream from Dairy Queen. It's like a late night snack. And before we order our Dairy Queen, the line was very busy in the drive-thru. They got hammered. Unbelievable. But no further ado, do some taste tests. I tried this off camera earlier tonight, but I'll give you my reaction on cam. So here it goes. Good stuff. Wow. You could see like a cone. It's eatable. They did a good job. It's like strawberry, I think. I'm not really too sure. And plus, I got warm water just in case I get brain freeze. Because once in a while, my viewers, I eat too fast and I get a brain freeze, and that really irritates me. Probably that happens to all my viewers out there. So one more time, eat this awesome ice cream. Then I'm gonna finish it off camera. There it is. Hit the spot on this hot night. Holy crap. Take a bite of this awesome. I'm gonna do like this. Uh-oh. It's melting. Holy shit. Awesome. Now, there's other places in my area have better ice cream than Dairy Queen. Like Baskin Robbins. I forgot the other one off my top of my head. Very high class. So, let me know, my viewers, what kind of ice cream do you prefer? Dairy Queen, Baskin Robbins, or other ones in your area will top Dairy Queen. And we want to do a review response or taste test. So that's about it. I think I went long enough, so have a great night later, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.